Hey, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing all right? Yeah? Good. Right, so it is Thursday evening. I am going to try and do a really speedy unboxing. I've got a feeling I'm not going to be able to do it in the time I have. Basically because I think I've mentioned before that I've got a few sort of medical things going on now, because I think it's all this premenopausal stuff, but it seems like I've got other issues going on as well. So I've started my CBT. I don't know if I mentioned this. So I started sort of a CBT, so it's like talking therapies for the menopausal symptoms. Basically, and that's just looking at things that I might be stressing over, worrying over, things that might be affecting how I sleep. Just looking at my whole life. It's a very holistic approach. So I've had 2 sessions already and it's actually really good. It's just like talking things out and looking at coping strategies and just sort of talking about just ways to manage my life, really, just to make things a little bit easier for myself, because things are changing, my body is changing. So how I think about things, how I approach things, you know, I've just got to accept it. Things are changing. My estrogen levels are going down, which is affecting everything, which leads me on to the next thing. So one of the things I had to do, I had to monitor my blood pressure for 7 days. I had to do morning readings and evening readings. My blood pressure was really, high. When I say high, I mean it was high. So when I submitted my 7-day sort of readings through to the surgery, they literally text me back within half an hour and they were asking me, how am I feeling? Am I lightheaded? Am I dizzy? Have I got headaches? Loads of questions. And I'm like, yeah, I feel fine. And they said, right, if you feel unwell, ring 999 straight away. So I was like, so I rang up and they basically so I rang them up and eventually got through to a nurse, and she said sort of these kind of readings make us think that you could have a heart issue, high blood pressure, it could be leading to a stroke. Are you feeling okay? And I'm like, yeah, I honestly feel fine. No headaches or anything. I don't feel nothing different, just my usual stressed out self, really. And they said, right, okay, so we're going to make some appointments for you. So what I've got to go to in like half an hour's time roughly, my first appointment is an ECG. So I'm going to get an ECG just to check my pulse, my heart beating, whatever. I think what it is, I can't remember which way it is, but the top reading is really high. The bottom reading, is that the diastolic? I think the bottom one's diastolic and the top one is systolic. I can't remember. So the one below is the rest in between heartbeats and the one above is the pumping out. I don't know, something like that. But anyway, my top reading is really, really high. But my low reading is normal, and my pulse rate's totally normal as well. So something going on with my top rate. So there's that. And then I've got to go to a hypertension clinic as well. So they're investigating, they're on it. And honestly, I'm telling you, last night when I had that phone call, I was scared to go to sleep because I didn't think I was going to wake up. I thought I was going to have a stroke in my sleep. I know it sounds funny now, but I was actually seriously worried last night, thinking, oh my God, right, do I need to get all my things in order? I've got a will in place, got all this in place. I was really, really panicking. But yeah, so I didn't sleep last night either, which is nothing new because I never sleep. So yeah, so I'm going to go and do my ECG in half an hour. Anyway, so I just thought I'd give you a little bit of an update on what's going on there. It's all fun and games. But today I have got my Look Fantastic box. That has been delivered. So I've got that. This is my Look Fantastic box for October. So I am sort of thinking, should I do my Look Fantastic box and do my second glam bag? So do a Look Fantastic versus glam bag. No, I don't think I'm going to have time, so I think I'll leave the glam bag for when I get my Glossybox and I'll do the comparison then. So today I am just doing my Look Fantastic for October. So Look Fantastic box is a subscription beauty box available in the UK and in Europe as well, because my friend Monique, so Dutch Monique, she unboxes it on her channel as well in the Netherlands. Right, so it costs, I subscribe for it for a year, so I pay £13.50 or £13 a month, and you normally get sort of 5 to 6 items inside your box. So before I open up this box, let me just do a quick review of the products I received in September, because I can't remember anything. Let me find my notebook. I've got it here somewhere. It's dropped to the floor. Right, so I can't remember what I got in September. Look at that. See what I mean about forgetting things. Right, what did I get? So we've got 5 things in September. So let's have a quick look. So the first item was the Eve Lom Cleansing Balm. Well, I have been using that actually. So I've been using that at night. And it just kind of reminded me that it is not one of the best cleansing balms, because I'm very much a cleansing oil, cleansing balm person. I use the cleansing oil or cleansing balm or cleansing butter to massage it in my hands, massage it in my face, and it lifts up all my makeup, and then I normally go in with a face wash afterwards. And with the Eve Lom Cleansing Balm, it's not that great at lifting off all the makeup immediately. It really isn't good. So what I've been doing, because I'm going to use up the tub because I've started on it now, I've been sort of melting it in my hand, massaging it in my face, trying to rub it into my lashes and the mascara and stuff to lift off all the makeup. But then I'm going in with the First Aid Beauty cleansing oil that I got in one of my Ipsy boxes a few months back. I'm going in with that, so I've kind of use that. You can mix it with water, and that helps to lift, emulsify, get rid of all the makeup. And then I go in with the face wash afterwards. The face wash I'm using at the moment is a Dr. Brandt cleansing face wash. So it's a good enough cleansing balm, but for me, if you've got a lot of makeup on, it's not the best. Especially when I know there are better ones out there, like the Elemis one. There's loads of good. There's the Clinique one. There's the one by Zero. There's a lot of good cleansing balms out there. This is not one of the best ones out there, but I'm going to finish using it. Next was the Pixie Duo Blush. I did put that in my giveaway. I still haven't heard from Emma Francesca. So Emma, if you're watching this, you won my September giveaway. Get in touch with me on Instagram so I can get this posted out to you. I thought that I had sent you a giveaway win before, but it doesn't look like I have. So yeah, please get in touch with me. Just a note to all of you, if I don't hear from Emma by Friday, on Saturday I will pick out another winner from a bag and I will post it on that original Birchbox video in September to say that you're the new winner. So, but hopefully Emma will get in touch with me by Friday, which is tomorrow. Okay, please Emma, get in touch. So yeah, so the Pixie Duo Blush, it just wasn't, to me it was just a really weird product. The blush colour was like a bronzer colour if anything, but it definitely wasn't a blush colour. It's just a very, very, very pale colour, and I just wonder how anybody would use it as a blush. It doesn't matter what their skin tone. I could see someone who was very, very, very fair using it possibly as a bronzer, as a light bronzer, but as a blush, I couldn't see it personally. The highlighter side of it was fine. So, but anyway, I did put it in the giveaway box, so it's there. Hopefully whoever gets it, they might be able to use it. If not, they can use the highlighter side. The other product was it was a duo product. So we had from We Are Paradox. It was the growth volumizing shampoo and conditioner. So it was like deluxe sample sizes of both the shampoo and conditioner. I have not used it. I was going to use it on Kayla's hair when I did her hair the other day at the weekend. I didn't get around, I forgot basically, and I ended up using my other stuff. So it will get used eventually, but from what I understand, it's a product it's for those people who have got thin hair and you want to give your hair a little bit of volume. It's going to help to just plump up and fluff up your hair. Not sure how it will do it, but it will do it. It's not something I'm that keen on using for myself personally, because my hair is thin, but those kind of products don't tend to work on afro textured hair. I don't think, I'm not sure, haven't really used it. I'm very much into using sort of moisturizing, hydrating shampoos and more plant-based shampoos personally, but there you go. Next product was from 11 Skin, very expensive product, and it was an eye mask. Didn't get around to using it in the end. My daughter used it. I don't know, it was like a week ago, just over a week and a half ago. She just suddenly got really, really dry skin around her eyes, really, really dry. It was almost like eczema. And the last time that happened was probably like last summer as well. And it's just a short reaction. So it just left the skin all around her eyes, sort of inflamed and very, very dry. So she automatically went and used it, and she's been using, so I've given her an eye cream to use, and her eyes are returning back to normal now, so it's looking more normal. But she said she liked using the eye mask. She said felt really, really nice. So I was like, yeah, go, enjoy, off you go. And the final product was from Groom, and it was a soap bar. I think it was like a rose scented soap bar. I haven't used it as yet, but it is something that I will use at some point. So the products last month were a mixture. Some things I used what we could. I didn't like I'm not that fond of the Eve Lom cleansing balm. I think I originally gave that a 1, but I've given it a half now because it's not great. And it's not something I will go out and buy, especially when there's so much better cleansing balms out there, which are cheaper as well. So that gets a half. The Pixie Dew blush, that gets a 0 because it went into the giveaway. The We Are Paradox shampoo and conditioner, it will get used eventually, so it'll get a 1. So they both get a 1 because it's 2 products, so we'll call that 3. The 1-1 Skin Eye Mask, that got used, so it got a 4. And the Groom Soap Bar will get used, so that'll get 5. So we've got a score of 5. Yeah, 5, is that right? Ooh, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a score of 4. Sorry, 4.5 out of 6. So that's a good score, isn't it? That's a good score. Okay, let's get into the October box. How am I doing for time? Oh, gotta go soon. Right, here we go. So this is the box now. You don't get the fancy boxes anymore. It's just stuff thrown in there. It feels very, very, very light. All the usual leaflets. I'm not even going to bother with those. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 5 items in here. And where's the card? I haven't got the card. I haven't got the QR code. I'm just double checking. No, the QR code is not here. Alright, never mind. I'll just show you the products. So the first product I've got here is from Beauty Works, and it is a Argan Oil Pro Vitamin E. So it's a heat protection blow dry cream. Okay, with Argan Oil Pro Vitamin B5, protect and repair. So it's a little pouch of a heat protectant serum, it looks like. This will get used. This will definitely get used, and I'll probably if anything, I'll use it on Kayla's hair, because Kayla very much is liking me blow drying her hair out and straightening it. She loves it because then I style it, give it a little bit of soft curves, and oh, she absolutely loves it. I'll put a picture of what she looked like last time I did it at the weekend, but she loves it. So when I do her hair next, I'll use this product in. So that is cool. Yeah, little picture of Kayla up there. Grinning away after I did it last time. Next product is from this brand, Elixir Skin. I've never heard of this brand before. It is a day moisturizer, night cream and serum base all in one. It's a universal emulsion. So they basically said it's a moisturizer night cream. It's just a face cream. It's an old school face cream, but they're using all the trendy terms for it now. So that's the product. I don't know anything about this product, what it's like, what the ingredients like. I've never heard of the brand before. Warm in the palm of your hand and apply to your face, eye contour, lips, neck, décolleté, I can never say that word, hands and arms. Massage until the skin feels sealed. Ingredients: aqua, something, glycerine. It's got some nice ingredients in there. It's got argan oil in there. It's got evening primrose oil in there. It's got odorata flower oil. I don't know what that is. Okay. It's not going to be a product I'm going to reach for immediately, but because I've got lots of moisturizers going, so I'm not even sure if I'm going to keep that, but we'll see. I'm not going to rule it out completely yet. Next, we've got a product from Esper. This is a brand that they do try to foist on us quite a lot. It's quite an expensive brand, and I haven't really tried anything from this brand that I actually like. Even the candles I don't like. And you know, and I love candles. So this is from Esper, and this is a clean and green detox mask, skin nutrient mask to purify, balance and refine. Okay, it's a nutrient rich deep cleansing mask. It clarifies for brighter looking skin. It will get used. So me and Gabby will use this month, and I'll report back on that next month, because I love masks. I just love using masks full stop. I've got so many. Right, so that's 3 products. So there's 2 products there that will definitely get used. Then we've got a makeup item here, and this is from Delilah Eyeliner. Yeah, Delilah Eyeline Longwear Retractable Pencil in the colour Coal 1401, so it's black, and it's just an eyeliner. Yeah, it's a gel eyeliner. Okay, not sure if I'll keep that again because I'm not short on eyeliners, guys. I'm not short on eyeliners at all. I mean, I'll just show you one of the cans I've got. The other can I've got upstairs, but this is just the ones I use at the moment every day. So I'm not short on eyeliners, and I'll get plenty from my American ones. So I might keep it, I might not, but not a bad product. The next we've got from Lottie London. God, Ciate London, Lottie London, Iconic London. Anyway, so this is a lipstick Slay All Day. I've received this colour before, so I am definitely going to be putting this in a giveaway. It is a sample. It probably looks like, yeah, it's a sample. The colour is called So Good. It's not for resale, so this is something that you'd get free. You'd get given free when you make purchases. It's not for resale, guys, but it's that kind of colour which we get a lot of in beauty boxes. I'm going to put this in a giveaway. I really hate it when they put products in there that aren't for resale. They're normally sort of giveaways, freebies that they give away in boxes, or when you make a certain amount of a purchase. I really hate it when they put those in our subscription boxes and count that as a product. But it's a nice enough colour. It's not the kind of colour I like to wear personally, so this will go in my giveaway box. And the final product is, it's an eyelash curler. I won't be using this. This is from Brushworks, which is a brand I really don't like either. I just think their products are cheap and nasty personally, and it's just an eyelash curler. I'm not even going to take it out of the box, but that's what it looks like. Okay, so products I'm putting in a giveaway are this, the moisturiser might go in a giveaway as well, and the eyeliner might go in a giveaway. So there's possibly 3 products definitely going in a giveaway. This might go in the giveaway, so not great. And then 2 products that will definitely get used are the mask and the heat protectant. So 2 products. So really be looking at sort of 2, possibly 2.5 out of 6 for my October box. Are these 2 products worth £13 to me? No, they're not. So definitely didn't get my value for this month's box. But that's just my opinion. Have you received your box? Did you receive the same things? Because I don't know, because sometimes the items, there's like, you can receive one or another. So they sometimes give you a choice of 1 or 2 others, 2 items. It's not really a choice. It's like you'll get one or the other. So I'm not sure which one of these could have been one of those products. Really dislike getting things like this. I just don't like this brand. I really don't like this brand at all. There you go. Right. That's it for today. I will be doing my GLOSSYBOX because I know that's been dispatched, and I know my Birchbox for September has been dispatched, so I should be getting those in the next couple of days as well. So one of those boxes I will be doing with my Ipsy, my second Ipsy Glam bag. Right guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please give me a like down below, and if you haven't done so already, press that subscribe button as well, because that all helps in that engagement. Leave a comment down below. It's all good. Alright guys, take care. Bye.